Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's gonna be a slime video. I'm gonna make slime. I made these two today. So I forgot to pull up my ingredients because I barely noticed that I was gonna do this video. But yeah guys, don't worry, I'll get them. They're like right here. So I'll get them. I need my laundry detergent. Here's my laundry detergent. So here's my laundry detergent. And then I'm going to show you the ingredients that I normally have. Gotta take them out of the bowl first. Oh, I think this should stay in here. Because look guys, okay, so the first thing you will need is a bowl. It's kind of dirty because I made slime. And the next thing you're going to need a spoon. Dirty, don't care. Glue. You're going to need glue, of course. Don't mind the noise back there. Then food coloring. There's like, I don't know what color I'm going to do this one. I might do a yellow because I never tried the yellow color one. But I'm going to do this one yellow, so I'm going to take out the yellow food coloring. So here's the yellow one, the yellow food coloring. I hate the sun, it's like, so now I'm going to put my food, I'm going to put my food coloring up because I really don't need anything. Shaving cream. No. And then of course my laundry detergent, which I already showed it to y'all, but it has like stuff in it. I hate it. I don't care. So let's get on to the video. Okay. So now I'm gonna pour in some glue. Doesn't matter how much you pour in, as long as you pour in glue. So let's pour in some glue. I don't want to make a whole lot. Sorry guys, just pour in. There you go. So we're done with the glue. Y'all want to see how much I added? I added this much of glue. I added like that much because I don't really want to add a lot. So yeah. And then what I normally do is I either put the shaving cream first, but it just depends on what you want to do, because on this one I added the food coloring first because I made two slimes with this one. I made the blue, it's a turquoise though. I made a blue and a green together. I literally made a blue, but not like together. I just like made them separate. I made a blue separate and I made a green separate. So yeah, I literally poured in the shaving cream. You can't really see it because the sun's like right there. What if you like focus it on that? Nope, still doesn't show because it's white. Of course, it's always white. So there's that. It's white, and then the next step is food coloring. A lot of people do it way different than I do, but I don't care. Okay, let's try that. I don't know how much really food coloring I need for this, because sometimes it normally turns out like a sun yellow. I love the sun yellow. I need to take this out of there. Am I gonna get my hands dirty? Oh well, who cares? I always add the food coloring like to where like there's no white showing. Like I don't want it that light too. I don't want it that light. Two more drops. That's basically 4 drops. And because I literally do not like the white thing, because like you know how it messes up and stuff. So that's why I really don't like. Okay, so here's the yellow. Sorry guys, I don't know why I moved that. I'm gonna try to put it like this. It looks like mustard. It looks literally like mustard. I don't know really how, but it literally looks like mustard. This is like a disgusting. I love mustard. I'm just kidding, I don't like mustard. Ugh, nasty. Oops, I'm gonna add a little bit of food. And yeah guys, so like, I'm just gonna keep like, after this drop, I'm gonna add the laundry detergent. Because I will never make slime without the laundry detergent. Okay, this is the hard part that I really don't like. just put it right there. Is there anything there? Okay. So I added my laundry detergent. I'm just mixing this up. Why is it like not? Oh, there you go. Just had to get a focus on it. Oh, why does it look dark? Sorry guys, that was just like a little thing. Normal guys, normal. So I'm gonna like knead this. Kind of sticky, kind of not, but I'm gonna like. Ugh. Sorry guys, this is not my first time, but like I seen a lot of people on YouTube that like they add borax, and I literally do not like to add borax because like I don't know, I don't like borax. I don't like using borax to my slime. I would either like just like laundry detergent or contact solution. I really don't like contact solution because it makes it like too like jiggly, and like the laundry detergent doesn't. It makes it more like fluffier. So that's why I really like the one look. So yeah guys. I will play with those slimes, but I'm gonna play with them over there on my thing because this is like could get stuck in there and I don't like it. It's kind of hard. This one's turned out a little bit hard. I think I like overactivated it, but I don't really care because like. So I'm gonna leave my bowl here because I might make another video with a different color, like with the greenish color, I guess. So let's go to my thing because that's where I'm gonna play with my slimes, guys. So like, yes. Oops. Oh look, this is my brother's slime. I don't know why he has it in my room, but that's just him. Sorry guys about the bad lighting because my phone is like in 20%. So yeah guys, here's one of the slimes. Oops, I don't like it. Okay, so I'm gonna play with the yellow one first. I wanna see how like pokey. Oops. Had this little thing, no? I suck at bubbles, guys. So here's my yellow one. Now let's go on. Oops, I feel like it's gonna get hot. But that's why I have this purple one. This one's like very, very pokey and very, very stretchy. We're gonna do the poke test on all of these. Like on the yellow ones, on the yellow one, and on the like purple one, and on this turquoise one. So here are my 3 colors. Oops, I don't know. Okay, so let's start with the yellow one first. Don't mind my brothers. So that one passed. Passed definitely. Okay, so they all passed. Now it's time for the bubbles. First one. I think on this one I'm gonna fail. Like, okay, so this one I'm gonna keep trying until I get it because this one I didn't make it with this one because. So bubble test. I did not pass that one. This one was a fail. Let's try my purple one now. This one made a little bubble, but not really. This one passed because in the first place I made it. Here comes the turquoise. Fail the first time. Let's try it the second time. Okay, so this one was the only one that passed. These two were fails. But I mean, they still feel good. Yeah, guys. Make sure y'all like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if not, I'm gonna be so sad, guys. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned because I might do another video next. So yeah, guys, bye.